What's your topic?
The sermon at Banaras.
The sermon at Banaras. Okay, let's start your topic.
Good morning, my respected sir and my all dear classmates. Today I am going to describe the story the sermon came to Lord Buddha. At the last, she realized that the death is an unfortunate truth of the life. Thank you.
Okay, very nice. Now, Shams Ahmed, what's your topic? Animals. Okay, so you are going to describe out the poem Animals.
Poem Animal composed by Walt Whitman. As he is an American poet and composed this poem in a free verse and taken from the heart of Song of Heart and from in the leaves in the green grass leaves. In this poem, poet want to describe his feelings towards the animals, as animals living life in peace, and humans have changed their ultimate behavior from the beginning of this universe. As this poem also describes us about the fact how human lives, and how animals living in this world. The main criteria where poet wanted to describe here, not to praise animals for in this poem, but to compare the nature of human with animals. From the beginning, I want to express some views of the poet as I have said. So now the poem, as human have lost all their good habits and now has chosen path to the evil, and as comparatively animals, they live life in peace as they always living. So here poet wanted to describe to become an animal, to feel free in this environment and live a life as a free one without any constriction in the lives and without any flaws, without any.
Good morning to my subject teacher Mr. Ram Tiwari sir and my dear classmates. Today I am here to summarize the story of our textbook First Flight, Madam Rajbhat. This written by Balid Kannan. In this story, there was a 8-year young girl who was standing on a roadside and watching on the street that the bus journey. There was many types of people who was coming and their traditional culture he was seeing.
Good morning to everyone, respected Ram Pujan Tiwari sir. My name is Jayavardhan Dwivedi of class 10.
Good morning, sir. My respected subject teacher, Mr. Ram Pujan Tiwari sir. My name is Manas sir from class 10.
The time for about us.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Hamid Dedi from class 10th, and I want to thanks to my class teacher, the subject teacher, Mr. Ram Pujan Tiwari sir, who gave me opportunity to tell something about me.
Good morning, sir. My name is Pranjal Dwivedi. I am from class 10th A, and I want to tell about a topic from our book First Flight, The Animals. Animals is a poem written by Walt Whitman. He was an American poet who write the poems in the ballad form. The ballad.
Good morning, respected sir and my dear friend. I am Rajendra Pratap Singh from class 10th. I am going to express my idea about the story Sermon at Banaras, written by.
Good morning, everyone. My class teacher
subject teacher. Myself Ayushman from class 10th. Today I am going to present my topic Amanda. This is written by Robin Klein, who is an Australian poet.
Good morning, respected teacher and class and my friends. My topic is Tea from Assam. The story Tea from Assam is